this tutorial, we are going to connect the microbit to our PCB board. So in order to do that, you're going to need the microbit and the USB cable and power supply. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to taking a look at the microbit here. A couple things I want to point out. This is our USB cable connection, and this is the leads that are going to connect our pin outputs and pin inputs with our board. So this part is going to connect here onto our board. Note it's important that you install this with the buttons facing out like this. It can be installed like this, which some people tend to do, which it's incorrect. The board won't work, so make sure it is in the right orientation, which is this direction here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our USB cable, we're going to plug it into here. Okay, I don't have it plugged into the computer, so the microbit will not power up. Okay, I will plug it in the USB to my computer right now. And the microbit will power up. And lastly, in order to connect this board, we're going to take our 12-volt power supply, we're going to plug it into this barrel connector here, and you should see your LED light turn on. And we haven't programmed anything to our screen yet, but that will turn on, or that did turn on, and it will display a message as soon as we start to program it. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in makecode.microbit.org into our URL. When you do that, it's going to bring open this website here. In the upper right hand corner, it's going to ask you to sign in. So I've already created an account, but you would sign in up here. So you hit sign in, and you can say continue with Google, and that's going to sign in using your Google account, or you can sign in with your own account that you made. Okay. It's going to give you a verification email, or it may or may not give you a verification email depending on what email you do use. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to new project, and we're going to call this sample project. Hit create. Okay, this is the Make Code dashboard. Okay, a couple things here. This is our actual microbit. Here is our content library that we use to select different code from. When we have a code, we can bring it into our code menu over here and build a code from it. We'll be getting into this more in future tutorials. Right now, I just want to go through connecting the microbit. So down here by download, there's 3 dots. Click on that and say connect device. It says connect your microbit to your USB. We did that, hit next. Then it's going to ask you to pair. If it doesn't show up here, okay, you have to check your USB port and make sure that it's actually plugged in. Hit connect. It's saying connecting to your microbit. If you get this message, that's good. Hit done. Then when I go here, it says it's connected. So if you don't get that message and you've plugged in your microbit and maybe it's worked before, but it's not connecting or pairing again, you're going to want to go up here to this view site information, click on it, and you can see here I have 1 microbit connected. Let's say you've connected a number of microbits and now they're not connecting or finding themselves. Just go ahead and hit this X and remove all those microbits and then reset permissions and go. Okay. In the next future labs here, we're going to start programming in Make Code, but just want to make sure that you're able to get it connected.